Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I turned this pile of stuff into this. If you don't know me, my name is Berger or Derek. You couldn't tell by the intro. I'm going to build myself a sim rig. Going to be streaming on Twitch, possibly YouTube at some point, but there will definitely be more videos on YouTube. And I just kind of wanted to document the build of the rig itself. Going with wood for now because I just spent a crap load of money on all of the actual sim equipment and everything to connect it to the computer. So this will be a two-part video. First one, I'm just going to kind of build the rig itself, and then the next one will be me connecting everything to the rig and to the PC and hopefully testing it out. I'm real excited for all of this. I've been wanting to do sim stuff for a long time. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to build the actual base that the seat's going to sit on. That's because everything, all of my measurements and location of pedals and steering wheel is all based off of that. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. If you couldn't tell, I've got all my notes here, drawings, measurements, everything I was able to do. If you guys want to build the same thing, I could definitely look into making more of a how-to design video or just drop my blueprint somewhere. Obviously I'd clean it up for you guys, but let's get started. made this part off camera. This is just the wheelbase. It took a lot of test fitting and cutting, measuring, cutting, test fitting before I kind of got it the way I wanted it. So I did that off camera just to speed this video up a bit. My plywood didn't work. I think I bought plywood that's too thin to really screw into on the sides. So I gotta think of something else to do for that. But for now, it's okay. Well, not for now. I'll figure something out and then I'll fix that. But there she is. You guys get the idea, right? I am by no means a carpenter. I would never even pretend to be a carpenter. So I probably did a lot of stuff that made you guys cringe a little bit, not to use that word, but it's built. I'd say it's pretty sturdy. We'll see how it holds up. I'm going to, after I use it for a while, if I need to make adjustments or add stuff to it, then I'll do that. But eventually I will take it all apart, sand it, make it nice and smooth, and then paint it all, just so it doesn't look like wood. But for now, this is what you'll see me use. Didn't cost me too much. I don't remember off the top of my head, and I'll go through prices probably in the next video. But yeah, there she is, guys. I just gotta fix that. Keep an eye out for the second video where I get this thing in its position and start hooking everything up. I'm really excited. I gotta get hardware for everything. Obviously going through 2x4s instead of, you know, like aluminum extrusion or whatever. So I'll get all that and put it together in the next video. I'll go over prices in the next video as well and hopefully play a bit. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'll be streaming over on Twitch and I'll put a link to that below if you're interested. Otherwise, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment or two, and see you later, guys. Thank you.